Hello, hello, hello. Well. After all this, wow, all the videos that I've done, I couldn't believe that I didn't do the one of my favorite, WanTan Mee. WanTan Mee is always my favorite too. And this one is very famous. It's located near Sungai Ara, a wet market, and they cook everything on the spot. Here is my wonton mee, the deep fried wonton with char siu, the roasted pork, and the very tanginess of the noodles deep in the soy sauce. Everything is good with soy sauce. For 450 ringgit per plate, it's a little bit expensive compared to the other competitors around here. But because this store is always packed with customers, so maybe that's how they raise up the price. Well, I sure will do a lot more Wonton Mee video in the future. So see you next time. Bye.